G'day, here's a small deal of Boulder Opal from central Queensland, rules in millimetres. Material's been wetted and the white on there that you can see is the reflection from the lights. Basically this first piece got a natural hole through it there, which is maybe unfortunate, but at the same time gives it character, I think. Cut that into a shape of a stone. This piece is basically a little stone on the end there. This piece of matrix. Not a lot of fire in it, but lot of showing there the greens, I think. Over here, this side, on the side here's oranges and reds. Occasionally getting a little flash of the reds there. Nice greeny blues. This piece is basically potch. Blue hue through there. Reasonably thick. Doesn't look like it's got any crack in it. There's a green bar going down through there. Sorry, and a bit of green over on the bottom there near my thumb. Anyway, hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.